Hello students, today in this module we are going to discuss about the difference between nastic movements and the tropic movements. So let's begin with these are the two type of the plant movements which are shown by the plants, and there is a great difference between the two type of the movements. Like the very first is regarding the growth. Now, nastic movements are growth independent movements. In these plants, the plant do not grow and the movement of the plant is not because of the growth. Whereas in the tropic movements, the movement is actually caused due to the growth of the plant. Like in phototropism, we have discussed it already that in phototropism, what happen is the oxygen get on the site get accumulated on the site which is opposite to the ray of the light, okay, and the plant grow or the plant stem grow only from one side and the other side the plant stem do not grow. This causes the bending of the plant towards the light. Means this kind of the tropic movements are because of the growth, so they are growth dependent movements. Now the time of action. The nastic movements are immediate. As you will touch the Mimosa pudica plant, its leaves will droop immediately. So these responses are very fast. The nastic response are very fast and they are immediate response. However, tropic movements are slow. The plant to bend towards the light, it will take time and it is a slow process. Now response to the stimulus. Now it doesn't depend where you are touching a Mimosa pudica leaf, okay. So the direction of the stimulus do not depend the nastic movements, as nastic movements are directionless movements. If you will touch the leaf of the Mimosa pudica, all the leaves which will be present in that one will droop, okay. In that branch, all the couple of the leaves which will be present, they all will droop together. So it doesn't depend where you are touching and what is the direction of the stimulus, as these nastic movements are non-directional. Whereas the tropic movements are the directional movements. It depends where the ray of light is coming, where is the water content for the hydrotropism, where is the gravity for the geotropism. So it depends on the direction of the stimulus. Now let us discuss the more reason for the action. Now the nastic movements are caused due to change in the turgor pressure. The water content and the change in the turgor pressure causes the nastic movements, as they are not because of the growth, they are caused due to the turgor. Whereas the tropic movements, as I told you, they are the growth dependent movements. So here the movement is because of the cell division. The alternate names of the nastic movement is nastics, whereas for the tropic movements it is tropism. The most common examples of the nastic movements is like folding of the leaves of touch me not, that is Mimosa pudica plant, and the opening and closing of the stomata. These kind of the movements are the nastic movements. If we talk about the tropic movements, the types, the phototropism, geotropism, hydrotropism, chemotropism, all these are the examples of the tropic movements. In the phototropism, the plant is moving in response to light. In hydrotropism, because of the water. In geo, due to gravity. And in chemotropism, the movement is because of the chemical. So I hope you have understood the difference between the nastic movements and the tropic movements. Thank you, all of you.